Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which dark mode options are available. Once done, unlock with Face ID or Touch ID to move quickly. Now open Settings and tap Display and Brightness. This first screen controls appearance. You're here to switch from light to dark and to access automatic scheduling options. Make sure to stay on this page before adjusting appearance or scheduling, because the controls change based on iOS release. You'll now choose dark mode, and if desired, schedule it. Tap Appearance and select Dark to apply immediately. This changes system UI and compatible apps. If you prefer automatic changes, toggle automatic and pick sunset to sunrise, or set custom schedule with start and end times. Once scheduled, your wallpaper and compatible apps follow the mode. Make sure to add appearance to Control Center for quick toggles. Go to Settings Control Center if you want near-instant switching. Finish by checking Advanced Settings and troubleshooting potential issues. Go to Accessibility Display and Text Size if you need smart invert or color adjustments that affect dark visuals. These help in non-compatible apps. If dark mode doesn't apply everywhere, restart your iPhone and reopen apps. That often forces the change. Finally, make sure iOS and apps are updated because older versions may lack dark mode support. If problems persist, toggle appearance off and on, then reboot. This resolves most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.